Hello, I'm here to make another video, but this one's way different. I don't know if you guys, I'm just going to turn the music down. Just turn it off, I'll pause it. Alright, anyways, I'm doing this videos for Rob Ayers. He's the guy. Okay, I had to turn the TV down. Actually, I muted it. So, all right. So, anyways, I don't know. Maybe I should name this video Rob Ayers or A Mess of Things. He's the one that has A Mess of Things and the Minute Rips. Anyways, I told him I was gonna give him 31 packs for the month of October. Now this was back in August, because at first I was saying, I'll give you 30 packs for September, and then I was looking around trying to find my packs and my different stuff and the different places in the house, and I couldn't find them. So I had to go over to my store, and I found a whole bunch of stuff over there, but it got to the point where I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna crack open. I cracked open a 1990 Upper Deck box. I cracked open a 1989 Upper Deck box. I cracked open a 1987 Donruss box. It was crazy. I could not find my. I had 87 Topps wax boxes, and I found them like all these like old box, 88, 87, 86, 86 Donruss, 86 Topps, 86 Fleer. And they're all sealed in cellophane, and I was like, you know what? I'm not cracking them open. But I cracked the cellophane on the 90 Donruss, and I took a pack out of the 89 Upper Deck and the 87 Donruss. They were full boxes, but now they're not anymore. But that's okay. So I wasn't planning on selling them. And before everyone goes, "Oh my God, that 89 Upper Deck, that's worth like $1,800 or $1,200, whatever the heck it's worth." I know that they sell them for $50 a pack now. I got that box for like, I think it was 70. It could have been 75. I know it wasn't like, say, 65. It had to be. It was maybe 75 or a little, $5 less. I don't know. Like 70. I don't know. Maybe. But anyways, so don't worry about that. Here. I went over to my store, and I get so discombobulated with stuff just thrown on top of each other. It's just so disorganized. I found these all sitting in a pile in my... I tried to grab the remote. I tried to grab the mouse to put it on pause so you don't have to see me sneeze. But I grabbed the remote and accidentally instead. So anyways, these were in my... I've got a candy display, and I use it for cards instead of putting candy in it. And you don't know how many times I've taken that to card shows or what are they called? Flea markets. And that gets more attention than anything I have, anything that I sell. I've had bids 100, 200, 300 or nothing. I had two guys asking me for it at the same time. The guy started off with 500, the other guy says 600, the other guy says 700, the other guy says 800. I said, "Yo, I'm not selling it." And the other guy's like, I'll buy it off you for 1,000. And the other guy's like, "I'm out." And I'm like, "You're both out, because neither of you are getting it." Like, I kept saying, like, why do you, I know it's nice, but why do it? Because that's not the only time. I've had other people offer me, between 500 and 1,000. I had one guy come up to me and say, "Would you take 900 on that?" And I said, "On what?" I thought he was pointing. There was a Charles Barkley card that I had for $1,000. It was Charles Barkley on the front and Karl Malone on the back. 90-91 hoops. But anyways, so I thought he was talking about that, and I'm like, I don't know if I want to sell that card. And he goes, what card? I go, are you talking about the Barkley with the Karl Malone on the back? And he goes, what are you talking about? And I pulled it out and I showed him. He goes, oh, he's like, that's $1,000 card. I said, I don't know how much it's worth. I said, I always thought it was just like an error and I had the only one. But then my buddy bought a box. I got a case of 1991 hoops. I don't remember why. I had multiple cases of blue ones, which were Series 1, and red ones, which were Series 2. And I think that the Malone Barkley came out of blue boxes, so they were Series 1. And my buddy Alan bought a box off me for $10. He got $1,000 Barkley card. So we knew that it was definitely, there was more than one out there, so it was some kind of a print run. We don't know how many there were. I never seen any of them ever before. I never seen them before that, and I never seen them after that. But two other people that bought boxes off me said that they got them too, but they never showed them to me, so I don't believe them until I see it. And I kept asking, hey, bring it in. I'll come to your house. I just want to see it. I only know of two in existence, me and my buddy Al. That's it. All right. So anyways, enough of the yapping. All right. So here's what I'm doing. Oh man, this is gonna kill. First of all, get this thing over here. All right, absolute. So, I'm gonna open it up. Oh my God. Here we go. I love it. Of course. I need my X-Acto knife. I have an X-Acto knife somewhere around here. I don't know where. I think it goes this way. Oh, this is stupid. I think I'm just gonna... It's taking too long. I don't know how to get this thing open anyways. I don't know. I think it is the right way. I don't know. Maybe it popped open on the top. It's the only thing I can think. Well, yeah, I think it does, because, oh my God, really? Really? I know I'm not feeling well, but probably look like a total moron. Can't get the box open. So basically what I was trying to show you, there's like a big, there's like one pack all by itself and then four others. This is weird. Anyway, so what I was going to do is I was going to show you all the different stuff that I have. Like archives and Tops 203 and the ones that I just opened the boxes for. 89 upper deck, 90 upper deck, 87 Donos, 89 upper deck, $50 pack. I don't know, probably $5, $4, $5, $6 pack. Probably at least $3.50, $4. I'm guessing. I don't know. You get a lot of really good cards in these packs. So that's the first 10. I'm debating on whether I want to give them this. I've got other packs from the 19. It might have been 1999. Whenever Comerica Park first came open, they put the All-Star game there. My cousin was the mascot for the Detroit Tigers. The character Paws, like the Philly Fanatics, the Phillies. Well, she was Paws, Paws and Paw, Animal Paws, Tiger Paws. She was the Detroit Tiger mascot. And she got a whole bunch of autographs, shirts, t-shirts, lanyards, gift packs. What are they called? Comp packs or something. VIP packs. She got all this stuff, and then she got me like because I said I want a Detroit Tiger hat. She got me one of those white ones with the black or whatever, the dark blue pinstripes and the blue dark blue thing on the top with the cursive D. It was really cool. I love that hat. I don't know what happened to it. I remember I used to wear it to the casino because it always brought me good luck at the crap stable. I always did good with that Detroit Tiger hat on. It was like my good luck hat. But anyways, she got like a gigantic bag full of, I don't know if a company made them. I know Ionics. Oh, it must have been Upper Deck because I remember there was those Ius cards or whatever, and Ionics cards and stuff. But there's packs of that, and I was like, I don't know if they're considered real packs, but maybe I should because they're packs. It's just not, you know, your normal standard packs like these things, But anyways, I'm gonna pause this, and then I'm gonna open up all this stuff and then show you a pack from each box because this is gonna take way too long. Open them up one at a time. All right, hold on. Well, I'll probably be back instantaneously. Alright, I just got done opening the last box. This is crazy. I've got to tell you a story about Diamond Kings. First, let me show you these packs for the boxes that I opened. I opened up 8 boxes, and I got opening day, Absolute, Allen and Ginter, Top Series 2, Archives from 2018, Topps Chrome 2021, Gypsy Queen 2021, and that opening day pack which likes to dive on the floor for some reason. Alright, so after all this I've got 18 packs. So I'm short like 13. See, I told him, I said I wanted to give him like one of each pack be a different pack, and I have 86 Donruss, 88 Fleer, 86 Fleer, 89 Fleer, 91 Donruss, 92 Donruss, 91. Luckily, I bought these at a flea market last week. I was gonna open some for fun, but now I have to use them for this. Like this one was the only one I bought. At least I got 2 of these. I got an 87 pack and a 90 pack, so that makes it up to 22. But I'm gonna have to. I'll probably wind up giving this one. It's unorthodox though, and I have a bunch of extra 90 Donruss and 90 Topps traded packs I could give them. But as of right now, I only got 24 different packs. I'm gonna have to give them like 7 doubles because I just can't find them. But anyways, here's a quick story. So I open up the Diamond Kings. I didn't realize it didn't have packs. So I start flipping through them, opening them up. 13 star, like awesome, like Hall of Fame cards. 6 rookies, and the only card that wasn't a hit or wasn't like a really good player was the Diamond King.